Could you have celiac disease? If you have diarrhea, weight loss, and nutrition deficiencies, you may have celiac disease. Hi, I'm Dr. Fan, Australian-based surgeon, here to talk to you about celiac disease. You may have heard of celiac disease, especially with all the gluten-free options now available. That's because celiac disease is relatively common and affects about 1 in 100 people, especially amongst people of European background. It is an autoimmune condition due to a gene defect, where an immune response is triggered after eating gluten, which is a protein found in wheat and other related cereals. This leads to a chronic inflammation, leading to malabsorption and symptoms of diarrhea, weight loss, and nutrition deficiencies. The nutrition deficiencies that result from this malabsorption can then cause numerous other problems, ranging from anemia to early bone fractures and even psychosis. If left untreated, chronic inflammation can also lead to developing bowel cancer. So, if you think that you may have celiac disease, what are the next steps to take? You should see your doctor for a thorough clinical assessment. You can also have a blood test called anti-TTG or anti-tissue transglutaminase, which is specific for celiac disease. You should also have an endoscopy to investigate your small bowel and take some biopsies. This is the best and most accurate way of diagnosing celiac disease. Whilst it is tempting to just skip all the diagnostic tests and go straight into a gluten-free diet, it is important to remember that this is not a fad diet. The gluten-free diet needs to be strictly adhered to for the rest of your life. So it is better to get a formal diagnosis before embarking on such a long-term challenge. You should also have some regular blood tests to assess your micronutrients and make sure that you are absorbing all your vitamins and minerals. All this will help you have a long and prosperous life. And there you have it, celiac disease and what to do about it. I hope that you have learned something new. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Comment below and share your tips on how to manage celiac disease.